So to close this, you need to fold one end, tuck the side, tuck the other side, rolled over. Meanwhile you're rolling over, keep tucking. And that's how you roll a burrito. Now,
Okay, I'm taking this.
Sunday dinner.
Touch this.
No,
Jay.
Jay.
Taste it.
No.
hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm just going to do a quick recipe. I'm going to be making chicken burritos. Today is Friday and I feel like the kids need to have something that they would normally get from outside. And this is what we're doing right now. Okay guys, so my pot is hot. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Meanwhile, my chicken is cooking. On this side, I have my rice cooking. I am using the yellow rice from Goya. Those rices so good. Like my kids actually love these when I'm making burrito, or the one with the beans. So some black beans from the can. And this is my garlic chop, peppers, chopped onions. Some will be going in the bean and some will be going in my chicken. And then I have my tomato already chopped because the kids like fresh tomato on their burritos instead of using the one in the can. So now I'm going to use my beans. Always wash the top of my beans, and I know I'm also going to wash my beans off with some cold water. I don't know if it's just me, but we know the beans sit in the can for over 2 years sometimes. So that's it. I get all the water off. Now I'm just going to transfer it to my pot. Add some cold water. Then I'm just going to add my seasoning. My chicken is cooking, almost done. And I will be making a little sauce to go on my chicken. This is chicken breast. We all know chicken breasts don't take that long to cook. But I'm going to add a little sauce to my chicken. Some chopped onions, chopped garlic, pepper. And I'm gonna leave the rest of this for my beans. Turn my stove back up. So I will be adding some spice to my beans. This is oregano, basil, and tomato all blend together. Since I wash all that juice, I have to get back some spice in there. And this is just blended herbs. And this is roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. Just getting back some flavor. And no, I don't use salt to cook. It depends on what I'm cooking. I try to stay away from salt as much as I can. Now I will be making a sauce for the chicken. I'm just going to use some tomato ketchup and some Grace browning with water. All I'm doing is adding a little browning. Just going to give it a good color, good flavor. Add some ketchup to the cup. Then I'm going to add some cold water. So I don't want too much sauce. That's it. It's just going to give it a good taste. You could also add barbecue sauce, depends on what you want your burrito or your chicken to taste like. As you can see, my bean is cooking. My vegetable is cooked. Now I'm just gonna add this sauce. It's just gonna give it a good little flavor and even better color. I don't know. So guys, for the burrito you will definitely need some flour tortillas for burritos. I get the super soft one, and this is 16 count. So this is a lot. We won't be using all of this. Then I have some triple cheddar cheese. I also have guacamole, sour cream, and my diced tomato. This is a self-serve meal. I make this meal, I leave it on the counter. Is there? It's good. So that's it for the chicken. Now for the bean, this is my bean. Even though I take that sauce out of it, I still make my sauce. And that should be good. So my chicken is all done. I'm just gonna pour that into a container. Like I said, this is a self-serve meal. They will come and get this meal whenever they want. It's up to them. Anyway guys, so now my bean is ready. And even though I take the sauce off, it's still good. Don't need all that sauce in it. You don't have to really have this meal in the wrap. You could have this meal in a bowl. You just put the rice in the bowl, then you had the bean, then the chicken, your lettuce, tomato, the way you want it. Guys, I did not show you the lettuce earlier. I totally forget that lettuce is a part of this meal. This is just an awesome meal. You're going to combine all of these into one meal, one wrap. This is such a good meal. You are getting your protein and you're getting your vegetable. You're getting everything right up in there. So this is how my chicken is after I make that sauce with just the brownie, ketchup and water mixed together. That's what it is like. And now for my beans. Yes, I take all that juice off my beans. And she wants to be a part of this video. And that's my rice. I will leave the rice in the rice cooker so it could stay warm until she see a school bus. Until the kids ready for it. And the cheese. Now I'm going to make 2 burritos and put it in the oven so you guys could see another way to make it without the cream cheese, of course, without the lettuce. Tomato can go in there. Now I will be showing you how you can make your burrito in the oven. You don't have to eat it this way. I'm gonna add some rice, not too much rice. If you add too much rice and you add too much stuffing, then it won't close. I'm gonna add my beans, and I love beans. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. Oh my God. Tomato. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese. So to close this, you need to fold one end, tuck the side, tuck the other side, rolled over. Meanwhile you're rolling over, keep tucking. And that's how you roll a burrito. Now I will be putting it in the oven. So to keep it together, I have to put it in foil paper. That's all. My oven already preheated. So now I will be just tossing it. Just put it in for 10 minutes. Just want the cheese to melt. And I'll see you when that is finished. Okay guys, now I will take my burrito out of the oven. Then you will see what it looks like when it's all melted. What I'm going to do is just open it. Here you go. It's all sealed together. I'm just going to cut it. And yes guys, this is what it looked like. That's what we get when we put it in the oven. We just can't put no lettuce or no guacamole or no sour cream in it. But this is a good way if you are having like a get together or a party, or you're doing something and you want to try a different meal. You just do it like this, put it in the oven, wrap it, or you don't have to put it in the oven until the party is close to start, then you could just put it in. Let me know if this is something you guys will try. I will try my best to put all the ingredients in the description box. I'm not so good at doing that. I haven't done that yet so far, so I will try. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Thank you for all the like and comment. If you are not a part of this kitchen, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so I could come and we could cook together. Thank you for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah. It's